Okay guys, thought I'd just show you guys I'm cooking another meal real quick. Not going to make a big production out of it, but we're cooking dinner. Decided to fire up the Blackstone grill again, the griddle, and we're cooking a little pork chops and potatoes, and got me some corn on the cob being steamed in my Instapot. So I'm just going to brown up these potatoes a little bit, and then I'm going to get some pork chops going on here. I'm just filming this with my phone real quick. Looks like we had a runaway piece of potato. A runaway piece of potato there. Anyway, I like to cook them off to one side like this. As soon as those start looking brown, I will get my pork chops on there. Okay guys, so got the pork chops on there. Still cooking our potatoes. Got a little pork chop action. And come along real nicely. What's that look like? Good old cowboy meal right there, right? And add a little spices to these potatoes. Trying to hold this camera and stir around my goodness. So the potatoes, they have onion, garlic, little salt and pepper is all. Nothing real fancy to the potatoes. And then I cook them in a half a stick of butter, because why in the world wouldn't you want to stop your heart today, you know? So those might not be the most healthy potatoes in the world over there, but they're going to be super delicious. And then over here on the other side with these pork chops, these super-sized pork chops, just cooking those up. And what I'm going to do here is as soon as I start seeing some blood raising up on them, I will season them and flip them, and I'll get back to you in just a minute. Alright, we're back, and what I got myself here is the potatoes are nice and cooked, and I got my pork chops flipped, and it's almost done. Almost done. And the corn is done, just sitting over there ready to go. And this is going to be a pretty awesome meal. Okay, guys, we are nearing the end here. Here's our pork chops. We already got the potatoes off of there. So we're just waiting for the pork chops to get cooked up here. Mainly right here on this big piece right here. And I got my thermometer out that I'm going to use to check the doneness, and it's right there. So we're going to check the doneness here, and we clearly are not done yet. Okay, that one's done. That one's done. And that one's done. But this one over here still needs to be cooked. Okay, I got 3 done pork chops. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. Got a little steamed corn, my pork chop, and my taters. If you're looking for a heart-stopping meal on the Blackstone Griddle, that'll clean up super easy. Take me like 10 minutes, 5 minutes probably to clean that grill back up. And I'll cook breakfast on it in the morning, getting kind of where I like to cook on it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and sure do appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next cooking video or whatever it is. Talk at you later on that end.